I hate it when trucks do this. Somebody tell me why the fuck truck drivers do this when they know they're not able to pass the other truck driver. They try to pass the other truck and then they're so slow that takes 300 million years to pass that one truck over there. And then now there's a lineup behind them to be able to pass. So if you have a beef with your truck friend, don't sacrifice the rest of us because you have a big ego. If you can agree with what I'm saying, put it in the comments.